viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to fix our invisible zip perfectly. If you are new to my channel, like this video and press the subscription button so that you can always get more information each time we upload a video. So this is our invisible zip, and most of us knows that when we fix the invisible zip, if it's not well fitted, you will not get a perfect finish at the end of the day. So for us to fix it perfectly, you'll notice that there's a deep hole inside the zip, and for the zip to give us a perfect finish, you need to sew inside that hole. You need to sew inside that hole. So for us to be able, and if you put it directly like this on the sewing machine, you might not get that perfect finish. So for you to be able to sew inside this hole, I'm going to iron it out this way. I'm going to iron out the hole. You can see what I'm doing. Iron it out. Press it. Can you see the difference? It's now flat, so that you'll be able to sew so close to the zip. So I'm ironing it to the end of it. Ironing it out. I'll also do the same to the other side of the zip. And it out perfectly. Like so. So now you can see the difference now. You can see that I've ironed out the hole. It's now looking so flat. So this is the back panel of the dress. I'm going to fix it on. So now, you know, the invisible zip is not like the normal zip. So now that I've ironed it up, when you zip it up, this is going to be outside. So you place it this way. See what I'm doing? Place it like this. I'm going to place it this way to the edge of the fold of the dress I'm fixing it on. So I'm going to use my pin to hold it. Using my pin to hold it down, like so. So this is it. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it very close like this to the edge. So I'm going to take it to the sewing machine now to stitch it. Then I'll come back to show us the final. So after joining it on our sewing machine, you can see what you have at the end of the day. You have a very perfect clean finish. You know, fixing your invisible zipper properly gives your dresses or wherever you fix it a very good finishing. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that when we upload new videos you will be notified. Thank you for watching.